Hey, what is up YouTube? Welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be completing most of the motor. Hopefully completing it all today. So right now I'm putting in the valve springs. I already have these two in. Gotta put in the rest. And I did get out the broken bolts. Now I did try drilling those out, but the drill bit wasn't good enough. So what we ended up doing, my boy AJ welded a nut. My boy right there. Basically, he tack welded a nut onto the stud, and then it just unscrewed out perfectly fine. And that's what I did to get all the bolts out. And on the other head, I already finished and got all the valve springs on. This head's all done. Just gotta tighten it down. And all the broken bolts are out of that head too. So now I just gotta finish putting the valve springs on this head. Should be ready to start throwing it on the motor. Alright guys, so I just finished getting all my valve springs in. Over here is the head gaskets. And now, right now I'm about to go scrape off some of the old gaskets that's still on there. Like this.
What the fuck? I can fix it. That's the cheapest way.
Fuck you, Kenny. Alright guys, so I just got done tightening down the head. Now first I took it down to 22 foot-pounds, and then all that it says to turn it 90 degrees the second time, and then the third time to turn it at 70 degrees. And here's the sequence I went. You have to do that when installing a head. Alright guys, so I just finished torquing down both the heads. Now I'm gonna get ready and install the push rods. Alright guys, so we got the push rods and the rocker arms on. Then we installed the valve cover gasket and valve covers, and the front cover gasket and front seal and the front cover. Right now I'm cleaning up the intake manifold. Gonna go ahead and throw on the seals and throw on my injectors and my Holly fuel rails. And my throttle body and throttle body plate adapter. Starting to look like a motor again. Pretty stoked. Now what I have left, I still have to order the kit, and that comes with the oil pan, so I'm gonna be changing that. Then now I can finally go ahead and, like I said, order the kit. I am gonna go with the LOJ kit. It's gonna come with the motor mounts, tranny mounts, and I am getting the accessory drive package so I could reuse the power steering pump and the alternator. Now one thing I did, since I have a HR, you have to have a DE power steering pump, so I had to buy a DE power steering pump so I can run the LOJ accessory drive kit. Alright guys, so I'm actually going to end today's episode right now. Tomorrow I'm going to go ahead and throw on the throttle body and the fuel rails and the fuel injectors. Right, and then intake manifold. Right now it's currently like 10:30. It's getting late. Gotta come back and work tomorrow. So tomorrow I'm going to start working on that. I'm going to end this episode 4 part 2. Thank you guys for the support. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.